Hello friends, today we will see absolute coordinate method to draw in AutoCAD. This can be used in between other commands like move, copy, rotate, etc. So let us start our session, absolute coordinate method. Actually we have started our engineering drawings from our secondary classes itself, where we have used graph sheets to plot the drawings. In the drawings, each points we mark had an x-axis and y-axis coordinates. See some of the examples. I think this will help you to recall your graph sheets. The first example is a line with an x and y coordinate values. Second one is a triangle. All the vertexes is having an x and y coordinate values. Next one is a circle with the center and a tangent. Okay. Therefore, if we know the x and y coordinates of the geometric shapes which we are going to draw, we will see how it can be drawn in our AutoCAD file. So absolute coordinate method means plotting a shape or drawing by its x and y coordinates. So as like graph sheet, we have an origin point in AutoCAD file also. This is the origin point where x value is equal to 0, y value is equal to 0. I have highlighted here, so you can see that this is the origin point of our AutoCAD file. So let us start to draw that line. That line will be starting from 1, 1. So we are giving the command line command. Line has to be started from 1, 1. So here we have to give the input x coordinate, comma, y coordinate. See 1, comma 1. 1 is the x coordinate value. The second one is the y coordinate value. So the line has started from 1, comma 1. Now the second point of the line is at 3, comma 5. So I am giving the input as 3, comma 5. See the command is completed. The line is, we have drawn the line. But if your dynamic input option is turned on, that means let me erase this line. That means your F12 is on. How you can understand your F12 is on? If you give any input, the input will show near to your cursor. So now this dynamic input is on. Let us try to draw the same line using this method. I have taken the command. Now there is two options showing over there, but before entering the x value, we have to give hash symbol, then x value, then y value. Okay. Second point is at hash 3, comma 5. So this is the correct way of giving input when your dynamic pointer is on. Let me off the dynamic pointer. This is the example I have shown to you how to use if your dynamic input option is turned on. Now we will go to the second figure in this example, that is a triangle. We have already completed one side, we will draw the other two sides. Okay. So line will start from, I am starting from 3, comma 5. It will go to 5, comma 1. Again it will go to 1, comma 1 to complete that triangle. The triangle is completed. There is one more figure in that example. You can try by yourself to complete that circle. In the next class, we will see how to draw by relative coordinate method in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us to get more videos. Thank you.